To download Robinhood on PC, you will need to use an Android emulator, as the Robinhood app is not natively available for PC. First, go to the official website of an Android emulator such as BlueStacks or NoxPlayer and download the installer. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the prompts to install the emulator on your PC. After the installation is complete, launch the emulator and sign in with your Google account to access the Google Play Store. In the Play Store, search for Robinhood and click on the Install button to download and install the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then click on the Open button to launch the Robinhood app. If you already have a Robinhood account, you can log in with your existing credentials. If not, you will need to create a new account by providing the required information, such as your name, email address, and password. Once you are logged in, you can start using the Robinhood app on your PC to buy and sell stocks, options, and other securities. To ensure a smooth experience, make sure your PC meets the system requirements of the emulator and the Robinhood app. Also, be aware that using an emulator may have some limitations and may not provide the same experience as using the app on a mobile device. However, it can still be a useful way to access the Robinhood app on your PC. In terms of best practices, make sure to keep your emulator and the Robinhood app up to date to ensure you have the latest features and security patches. Also, be cautious when downloading and installing apps from the Play Store, and only download apps from trusted sources. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully download and use the Robinhood app on your PC.